Hey guys, this is Matt, I'm the creator of gpitch.com, and today I want to share something special with you. Every day in the business there's a new thing, there's a new issue coming up and you have to solve it. So for me it's like walking on these big rocks. You see, I'm gonna demonstrate you. So one issue fixed, second issue fixed, third issue fixed, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now really big issue. Oh! Now it's gonna take a while. So maybe 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. But when you cross this issue and you fix it, then another issue. Small one. Oh. Maybe you jump in this one. So it's gonna take you a little more, maybe 5 days, 7 days, but never give up. Next issue. A lot of issues. So business is like fixing issues, and when you fix a lot of issues, every issue is become smaller. So you can jump more quickly and your growth is more stable and faster. So you go like this: issue, solve, issue, solve. And that's it. A tip for today. Have a great day. Bye bye. Grow your business.